to wash a car right before the weekend. We got a lot of water spots, dust, grime, dirt, just a whole, it's a mess right now. Check out the wheels. Yikes. I haven't even driven this thing in like a week and a half. I don't know how it got so dirty. Definitely not stock. Alright, we arrived here at Hinwali a little late. It is currently 10:45. Got 15 minutes left to spare before the show is over. Check this out, guys. We got an Aventador SV. Ooh, it's got a lot of swirl marks on the wrap, but it definitely reminds me of Teen Solomone's wrap. Is it just me, or am I making this up, guys? What do you guys think? And we got a 4x4 on 4 Giottos right over there. This is the first time I've ever seen this car. It's got a DY decal on the side, probably the dude's initials. I mean, I don't know, we do like a side-by-side comparison. Oh, look at the interior. It's got a purple stitching. Very nice. No way. He's gonna U-turn and do another pull. And it's got the top off too, so like everyone can see you. Yeah. It's just like, oh, he fucked us. He fucked us, dude. Tricky guy. He's a tricky guy. Oh. I should have known better. Alright, the cops have shown up. They're all the way down the street right there. They're having a little powwow. Having a little meeting. Move to the sidewalk. Uh-oh. Move to the sidewalk. Uh-oh. Party's over, man. Alright, the party is absolutely over. We got 2 cops stationed on the other side there. Oh. That's right, better take it easy, boy. Jeez, they are everywhere now. Back at Hinwali several hours later. Just had some lunch and some boba tea. Got the SVR in cleaning mode, obviously. But you guys actually won't believe it. Right over there is where someone, I won't say who, in his Laferrari did a donut and then peeled out. And you guys won't believe what happened. My goddamn camcorder memory card corrupted. So whatever footage I had of it, well, guess what? It no longer exists. So we're headed back to Beverly Hills. The weather is rather nice. The sky's clear. Traffic not so nice. It's gonna be another hour, so we'll see you guys soon. What? That person literally just gave a ticket and has pulled someone else. Dude, that's a double whammy right there, baby. Well, here we go. Holy smokes, the police. Whoa! Alright, we are currently on Cannon. We were just previously on Beverly. There's a pretty heavy police presence out today. This is not good. It's time to park the F-Boy SVR. Guess who I run into in Beverly Hills? Brand new Audi R8 V10. What's up? Repping it hard. There we go. Fresh window tint. It's gonna do a pull for me or what? Nice. There you guys have it. Run to a couple of good old buddies in Beverly Hills. Just illegally parked. Nothing to see here. Anyways, onwards with the Leap. Got a couple standard exotic cars. Got a Aston, Huracan, and another Huracan. Dude, check out this Mustang. It is completely slammed. Is it wide-bodied as well? Can't tell that's an official Liberty Walk kit. We need a closer gander. Huh. Do not touch. Oh well, I'm over it. Ooh, V8S in dark blue convertible. Very nice. Check this out. We got a nice V8 F-Type R convertible in orange. And wait, it just gets better, ladies and gentlemen. No, not the Rolls Royce. Whoa, this guy almost ran into me. But yes, another F-Type. Matte black. Dude, we're on a roll. That's 3 V8s. And yes, there is a Rolls Royce in front of me, but no one really cares about that, right? Dude, check out this wrap on this Corvette. I think we've seen these guys before. And then, check out, bam. Yup. I feel like that wrap belongs on a Mustang. What do you think? Currently at our usual spot on Rodeo Drive, right in front of St. Laurent over there. Check this beaut out. Nice. Oh my God! Oh no! Look! Whoa! Dude, check out this pimp's coat on Rodeo Drive. Wait for it, and there it is. Dude, that's like a straight up like, oh, I got blocked by this fucking Yukon. Are you kidding? Check out that dog. Check this out, guys. Back in Beverly Hills, we got a pink G-Wagon, baby. There we go. Hold on, we're waiting for the light. Oh, no, I'm getting screwed by the Audi. Oh. Here we go. Oh, it better go. It's a pretty sick color. He had like fucking 5% limo tints on the front, rear, and side.
I was at the back of the stock. First place, I was in the front.
Yo, what is going on? He's like freestyling with his Hyundai. Yeah.
I can't watch it.
Yo, what the fuck? It's a green light. He's like blocking everybody.
I'm surprised going on.
What? Was that a CLA?
It's a CLA.
There's something coming behind it. Oh, it's the Huracan. Oh, they're gonna race. That thing is so. What? Got a random cop just pulled up here. He's pulled all of us over, guys. So this is it. Actually, no, they're just walking around doing a quick patrol. I don't really know why they just ditched their car here. But that would have been some good clickbait, though. Ooh, very nice. All right, Beverly Hills is quite dead. The only thing we got here are a couple G-Wagons, Marcus's Porsche, AMG GTS, and a very nice blue, I might say. The V6 SVR, yup, and of course, Kanan came in, the world's best and greatest canyon driver, the Golf GTI. Anyways, there you guys have it. I don't really have anything else to say or film. It's been a pretty dreadful day of spotting. Oh, ooh, that's pretty beast, matte black. But yeah, I can't believe my files got corrupted It's a damn shame. The critical moment, guys. My memory card failed me, so that being said, that's it for today's video. Till next time.